Hi guys, Chris from Throdle here. We're going to do a quick walk around here at Gears and Grind. Got a new project car. If you haven't checked out the app, it's a Honda Prelude I just picked up. This one's an all-wheel drive, turbocharged. This guy, first one owner car. Nice little Toyota Supra right here.
It now? Yeah.
We got this clean. Like I said, this is not the stock engine. We recognize that RB20. We have Michelle's. We have this beautiful HKS R32. These guys, I think these guys are all doing a video photo shoot today, so that'd be kind of cool. Look at this, guys. We have this clean Silvia right here. Check this guy out. I mean, I know I'm passing Skylines and 180s, but this thing looks like it's still stocked. Yeah, I feel like I'm in the 90s when they come with this. Oh, look at that, guys! Ooh. Delica. This is a good friend of mine. He just picked up this M3. Hopefully this treats him better than the other one. Ooh, beautiful M5 right here, guys. S2000, old school Porsche. Another Porsche. Mustangs, kind of like that purple on that wagon. Another one. I think they all kind of grouped together. Check out this Capuccino. 3-cylinder engine. K car. It's like 660 cc's. You got the Huracan here. V12, about 600 horses, I believe. Porsche. McLaren 620. These headlights are my favorite on these cars. So. You guys, did Tyler talk to you guys about the Throdle app yet?
Yeah, I already got it up.
Did you download it?
Not yet. Yeah. Will do.
You download it now? Just,
this is free. I did.
It's totally free.
What is it?
Throdle. So Throdle. There's no catch. It's just, it's Instagram without the chicks.
Right there, I got it.
After a while, you just don't want to watch people do weird dances. It's weird. I don't get that.
That's the Urban Collective. Which one?
Right there.
Got it.
All right, play around with it. Download it, guys. So easy, a automatic driver can do it. But yeah, guys, if you haven't downloaded Throdle, download Throdle. Don't forget to check out Gears and Grind. Get that mode tool. Yeah, we're gonna do some more walk around, but yeah, for now, don't forget to get the app. As you saw, we got a few people to download it today. All right, guys, see you on the next one.